To all the silver foxes out there, I present to you the ultimate gift pack to maintain blonde, silver white or grey hair with OSMO Super Silver Blonde Gift Pack. OSMO Super Silver No Yellow Shampoo, sulfate-free and formulated with superviolet pigments that neutralize unwanted yellow tones and can be used instead of a toner. OSMO Super Silver No Yellow Mask, intensely hydrating, brightens up your blonde and replenishes lost moisture. Super Silver Styling Miracle Treatment, a specialized leave-in treatment to help liven up white, blonde, grey and silver hair tones. Each product in this set helps to maintain the vibrancy and depth in these lighter, more sensitive colors, available in various sizes. Shine bright like a diamond and get your OSMO Super Silver gift box today.